Absolutely. To narrow down the Google Trends research, I need some additional information. What interests you with the hot niches mentioned? For example, are you more drawn to the sustainable fashion? Nope. I would look for simple, small, I would say gadgets or tools. Let's see. We're looking for something small, easy shipping, guys, easy returns. Everything will be much easier. Trending gadgets and tools. Okay, we have a cable wraps, we have charging docks, portable phone stands, wireless earbuds, cleaning kits, kitchen gadgets, avocado slicer, egg yolk. That's very good, guys. That's very very good. We just type like maybe 4 or 5 different prompts, and we end up with exact match of our search queries, right? And this is based on Google Trends. This is not coming from anonymous website or something. So obviously it is possible, and I also going to give them 8 stars out of 10, the best performing AI chatbot over here so far, guys.